ئەم کاتتان باش بەخێر بێن بۆ چانێڵی Learn and Explore. لەم ڤیدیۆدا باسی بەشی دووەمی چاپتەری دووەمی کتێبی The Adventure of Tom Sawyer ئەکەین و لە بەشی پێشتر یاخود لە ڤیدیۆی پێشتر باسی ئەومان کرد کە تۆم درەنگەکەوێت بۆ قوتابخانە لەبەرەوەی کە لە ڕێگا هەکڵبێری فین ئەبێنێت و کاتێک ئاگاتە قوتابخانە مامۆساگی پێڵێت کە بڕات لەگەڵ کچەکانە دابنیشت کە وەک لەو ڤیدیۆی پێشتردا باسمان کرد و لێرەوە دەست پێیەکەین و کۆتایی بە چاپتەری دووەمەهێنین. The children laughed at Tom. واتە مناڵەکان بە تۆم پێکەنین. He sat down next to the new girl. He sat down next to the new girl. واتە لە تەنیشتی کچە تازەکەوە دانیشت. He looked at her. سەیری کرد. Then he drew a picture of a house. Then he drew a picture of a house. واتە پاشان وێنەی خانوویەکی کێشا. Drew واتە وێنەی کێشا. Draw واتە وێنە دەکێشێت. House واتە خانوو. Let me see it, she whispered. واتە چپەیەکی کرد کچەکە چپەی کرد و وتی با بیبینم. Let me see or let me see it واتە با بیبینم. Tom put the picture in front of her. Tom put the picture in front of her. واتە تۆم وێنەکەی خستە بەردەمی. It's nice. Draw a man, she said. واتە کچەکە پێیوت It's nice واتە جوانە. Draw a man واتە وێنەی پیاوێک بکێشە. Tom drew a man near the house. Tom drew a man near the house. واتە تۆم وێنەی پیاوێکی کێشا لە نزیکی خانووەکە. Near واتە نزیک. It was a terrible picture, but the girl liked it. It was a terrible picture, but the girl liked it. واتە وێنەیەکی زۆر ناشیرین بوو. It was a terrible picture. واتە وێنەیەکی زۆر ناشیرین بوو. But بەڵام the girl liked it. کچەکە حەزی لێ کرد. واتە بەلایەوە جوان بوو. You draw beautifully. I can't draw, said the girl. واتە تۆ زۆر جوان وێنە ئەکێشی. You draw beautifully. I can't draw. من ناتوانم وێنە بکێشم. I can teach you after school, said Tom. واتە تۆم پێیوت ئەتوانم فێر بکەم لە دوای قوتابخانە. I can teach you after school. ئەتوانم فێرت بکەم دوای قوتابخانە. Oh, thank you. سپاس. کچەکە وەڵامی دایەوە پێیوت سپاس. What's your name? Tom asked. واتە تۆم پرسیاری لێ کرد What's your name? ناوت چییە؟ Becky Thatcher. I know your name. It's Tom Sawyer. کچەکە وەڵامی دایەوە وتی Becky Thatcher. واتە ناوم Becky Thatcher. I know your name. ناوەکەی تۆ ئەزانم. It's Tom Sawyer. ناوت Tom Sawyer. That night, Tom and Sid were in bed at 9:30. واتە ئەو شەوە that night ئەو شەوە Tom and Sid Tom و Sid were in bed لە جێگەی نووستنا بوون at 9:30 لە سەعات 9:30. Sid was soon asleep but Tom was not. واتە Sid یەکسەر خەوی لێکەوت یاخود بە زووی خەوی لێکەوت but Tom was not. بەڵام Tom خەوی لێ نەکەوت. At 11 o'clock he heard Hug meow. واتە لە سەعات 11دا at 11 o'clock he heard Hug meow. واتە گوێی لە هەگ بوو کە میاواندی. He dressed quickly and went out of the bedroom window. He dressed quickly واتە بەپەلە خۆی گۆڕی and went out of the bedroom window. و ڕۆشتە دەرەوە لە پەنجەرەی نووستنەکەوە. Window واتە پەنجەرە. Let's go, whispered Hug. واتە Hug چپاندی بەگوێیە وتی Let's go. با بڕۆین. He had his dead cat. واتە پشی لە مردووەکەی پێبوو. He had his dead cat. پشی لە مردووەکەی پێبوو. Tom and Hug walked down the dark road. واتە تۆم و Hug بە پیاسە بە ڕێگا تاریکەکەدا ڕۆشتن. Walk واتە بە پیاسە دەڕوات. They walked for about half an hour. واتە بۆ ماوەی نزیکەی نیو سەعات ڕۆشتن. They walked for about half an hour. بۆ نزیکەی نیو سەعات بەپێ ڕۆشتن. The graveyard was on a hill. The graveyard was on a hill. Wata qabrsanaga graveyard wata qabirsan was on a hill. Lasar girdek bu. There was a lot of trees and a lot of graves. Wata drachteki zori lebu. There were a lot of trees. Drachteki zori lebu and a lot of graves. Wa qabreki zori lebu. Grave wata qabr. Everything was dark and scary. Everything was dark and scary. Wata hamushtek tariku tirsnak bu. Dark wata tarik, scary wata tirsnak. Yachot samnak. The wind made strange noises and dark clouds covered the moon. The wind made strange noises. Wata baka made strange noises. Dengi seir seiri druz akird. Strange wata seir. Noise wata dung. Yachot dangadang. And dark clouds covered the moon. Wa hori tarik covered the moon. Mangi daposhibu. Are the ghosts making these noises? Thought Tom. Wata Tom biri kdo. Aya tarmayu dewakanan ka amdanga drusakan. Are the ghosts making these noises? He was afraid, but he said nothing. He was afraid, wata tersa. He was afraid, wata tersa, but he said nothing. Balam hichinot. He said nothing, wata hichinot. Now, let's find the grave of Hose Williams, said Hug. Wata Hugwiti, ba esta gor yachot qabri Hose Williams bdozino. They soon found the grave. Wata bazui qabrakean dozio. Found wata doziano. Grave wakutman wata gor yachot qabr. Here it is. He died last week, said Hug. Wata Hug Witty. Here it is, wata amata. He died last week. Haftei peshu mir. Died, wata mir. Last week, wata haftei peshu. Do you think Hose Williams can hear us? Asked Tom. Wata Tom persiari kir. Baraito Hose Williams guile eme. Well, I think his ghosts can hear us, said Hug. Wata Hug Witty. I think his ghost can hear us. Wata babaraiman armayaki yachod rohaki guile ema dabit. Ghost lerda bamanai tarmai yachod bamanai rohdit. Then let's call him Mr. Williams, said Tom. Wata ba esta ba Mr. William bangipkin. Alright, said Hug, but everybody called him Hose. Wata basha. Alright, wata basha, said Hug. Hug amkseikir. But everybody called him Hose. Wata balam hamukasek peud Hose. Mabasti ka hamukasek ba Hose bangiakir. Shh, Tom amkseikir. Mabast ka bedang bed. What is it, Tom? asked Hug. Wata Hug persiari lekir. What is it, wata chia? Do you hear the noise? Look over there, Hug. Oh no, said Tom. Wata Tomuti, do you hear the noise? Gutla danga kea? Look over there, Sadie Ewebka. Hug. Oh no. Wata nakhir. Bamshawe chapteri دوم kotai pehat. Diara bashawaz ki zon na diar kotai pehato. Abet la chapteri doater abzanin chiru dao. Estash yak jariter tanha ba English chapteri دوم akhwen mo doa kotai ba video kahen. بهیوام که سوتان لبینی بید و اگر سوتان لبینی و با هاورگان تانی بنرن. تاوکو ویدیوی دهاتو خواتان لگو. Chapter 2 Tom and Hug. The next day was Sunday. Tom wore his clean Sunday clothes. He hated this. Tom, Sid, and Mary always went to Sunday school on Sunday morning. But Tom was not a good student and never listened to the teacher. After Sunday school, Tom and his family went to church. This Sunday, he had a big black beetle in his pocket. When the reverend started speaking, Tom took the black beetle out of his pocket. He put it on the floor. There was a little dog in the church. It saw the beetle and wanted to play with it. Suddenly, the beetle bit the dog's nose. The little dog barked and everyone looked at it. It jumped and ran after the black beetle. It ran all about the church, barking and making a lot of noise. The people in the church laughed silently. Their faces were red. The reverend continued talking, but no one listened to him. Tom was happy because he had an interesting morning in church. On Monday morning, Tom did not want to get up. "Get up immediately, Tom, and get ready for school," Aunt Polly cried. On his way to school, Tom met his friend Huckleberry Finn. Huck's father drank whiskey all the time and did not work. Huck had no mother and no home. He lived in the streets and did not go to school. His clothes were old and dirty. He went fishing and swimming when he wanted. Huck was happy. All the mothers of the village hated him because he was lazy and used bad language. All the children of the town liked him very much. They admired him. "Hello, Huckleberry. What's that?" "It's a dead cat," said Huck. "What will you do with it?" asked Tom. "I want to take it to the graveyard after midnight," Huck said. "A dead cat can call ghosts out of their graves." "Really?" asked Tom. "Well, old Mrs. Hopkins told me she's a witch and, she knows about these things," said Huck. "Can I come with you?" asked Tom. "Of course. Or are you afraid of ghosts?" asked Huck. "Afraid of ghosts? Of course not," said Tom. "Come and call me at my window at 11 o'clock tonight." Tom was late for school. The teacher was angry and said, "Thomas Sawyer, why are you late again?" Suddenly, Tom saw a new girl in the classroom. She had blue eyes and long blonde hair. She was very beautiful. Tom looked at her. He was in love. There was a free chair next to her and Tom wanted to sit there. But how? Tom thought quickly and said, "I stopped to talk to Huckleberry Finn." The teacher was very angry. "You know you must never talk to that boy." The teacher took his stick and hit Tom. "Now, go and sit with the girls," said the teacher. The children laughed at Tom. He sat down next to the new girl. He looked at her. Then he drew a picture of a house. "Let me see it," she whispered. Tom put the picture in front of her. "It's nice. Draw a man," she said. Tom drew a man near the house. It was a terrible picture, but the girl liked it. "You draw beautifully. I can't draw," said the girl. "I can teach you after school," said Tom. "Oh, thank you." "What's your name?" Tom asked. "Becky Thatcher. I know your name. It's Tom Sawyer." That night, Tom and Sid were in bed at 9:30. Sid was soon asleep, but Tom was not. At 11 o'clock, he heard Huck meow. He dressed quickly and went out of the bedroom window. "Let's go," whispered Huck. He had his dead cat. Tom and Huck walked down the dark road. They walked for about half an hour. The graveyard was on a hill. There were a lot of trees and a lot of graves. Everything was dark and scary. The wind made strange noises and dark clouds covered the moon. "Are the ghosts making these noises?" thought Tom. He was afraid, but he said nothing. "Now, let's find the grave of Hose Williams," said Huck. They soon found the grave. "Here it is. He died last week," said Huck. "Do you think Hose Williams can hear us?" asked Tom. "Well, I think his ghost can hear us," said Huck. "Then let's call him Mr. Williams," said Tom. "All right," said Huck. But everybody called him Hose. "Shh! What is it, Tom?" asked Huck. "Do you hear the noise? Look over there, Huck." "Oh, no," said Tom.